welcome again to LCJ Delights Kitchen, and today we are going to be making creamy sweet potato soup using provision flour. Alright, so we're about to make our creamy sweet potato soup. Today I'll be using the sweet potato meal, LCJ Delights sweet potato meal, to demonstrate this recipe. However, you can use any one of our sweet potato meals to make a creamy soup. Alright, so here we have 1 cup of sweet potato flour. We have 2 cups of water. We have salt. I love to use pink Himalaya salt. We have some ginger powder, bay leaf powder. We have some oregano here. We also have some chopped seasoning, garlic, onions, and red flavoring peppers. And we also have some chicken bits to put into our soup. So first things first, we're going to dissolve our sweet potato flour in water. So you're going to dissolve it well to ensure that there's no lumps. You could use a whisk if you have a whisk. It makes life a lot easier. So next off, we are going to place our freshly chopped seasoning into our pot with a little bit of oil, and we're going to head over to the stove and saute the seasoning. Our herbs and spices. I'm gonna add approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, then we're gonna leave that to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we are going to gradually add in our dissolved sweet potato meal. Our soup is all done, and we're gonna garnish it with a little parsley and some sage. There you have it, our creamy sweet potato soup made from LCJ Delights sweet potato meal.